Here we have a 2023 WorldCat 235 center console offered by SkipperBud's. This particular boat is sitting on a Phoenix trailer. The boat is available with or without the trailer. Powered by twin 150 Mercury outboards. My favorite part of the boat, the boarding ladder. Super easy. I'll one-hand it walking up, taking the video. Stepping into the cockpit of the boat. Cooler. Well-appointed helm. VHF radio. Garmin GPS. JL audio head unit with JL speakers. Compass. Dual flip-down bolster seating at the helm. Stern, you have a livewell in the center, and then two jump seats that also flip down on both sides for a nice casting platform. A very large area in the back to fish. Self-bailing cockpit. Nice lounge seating forward. You have an anchor pulpit with anchor locker storage there. Head on the forward part of the console. Rod storage. And some more rod storage here. Also has a raw water washdown. But very well appointed boat. Rides great for a 23 footer. If you haven't experienced a cat, now's the time.